Hi, friends from Woodland Heights. I'm Mrs. Deb's daughter. Today I'm going to be helping you make Rice Krispies Treats. This is a fun activity and a great learning experience. And at the end, you're going to have something delicious to eat. Hope you stay home safe. First step, read the instructions and make sure that you have a parent or guardian supervising you during this activity. Measure 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to be melting the butter and make sure that it touches every area of the pan, not just the bottom, because you want to make sure that the marshmallows don't get stuck.
Butter melting. I want you to find your marshmallows. It's melted. Pour the marshmallows in the pan. I want you to
stir the marshmallows. As you're stirring,
I want you to notice that the marshmallows are starting to stick together. The marshmallows are starting to get really sticky. Almost ready. When your marshmallows look like this, you're ready to pour the Rice Krispie Treats.
Please find your box of Rice Krispie Treats. Pour the Rice Krispie Treats in. Then you start stirring your Rice Krispie Treats.
And if you want a little fun, some mini M&Ms. Don't forget to add your fun as you add your Rice Krispies. Keep stirring your Rice Krispies.
After your Rice Krispies are all done and you're stirring and they're all Rice Krispie, you're going to want to pour them into a container. I recommend glass. Find your glass container and we're going to start dumping the Rice Krispies into it.
After you're done, they should look something like this. Please enjoy.
Kid tested, mother approved.
Delicious.
Friends, we miss you. Stay home safe.